So this morning my friend Josh Wright drops off his 71 Charger for some rear end work. And I make a post on Facebook and erroneously refer to the 71 as a 72, despite the fact that there is a 71 marker light staring me straight in the face. So as penance, I'm going to do a quick 71 through 74 third generation Charger Spiders guide. All right, ready? Okay. Most obvious thing, marker lights. 71 is the only that has a styled marker light with this little thing going through the center of it. 72, 73, 74 have that chunky one that just sticks on the side of the fender. They're universal to all the Chrysler products from 72 forward. 71 and 72 are the only one with this style roof. This is the standard roof, and then the SE version has a fiberglass plug here and a little slatted quarter window here, fixed quarter window. 71 and 72 have this broken body line on the door. You can see that the lower part of it disappears here under the mirror, and the upper part flows right into the mirror. 73, 74, it's just one line. Okay. 73, they changed the roof. And they got tricky with it, right? What they did was they used a 71, 72 satellite roof, and then they disguised it with this chrome boomerang piece of molding over here. So it looks like its own unique thing, but it's actually 71, 72 satellite. The 73, 74 SE has a fiberglass plug in the spot with these louvered opera windows. Other than that, the roof is the same. The windshield is the same on all of them, the back window is the same on all of them, door glass is the same on all of them. Trunk lid is the same on all of them. The hood is different. 71, 72, 73 have the similar hood. The louvers, or the air intake, is different on the 73, and then it disappears entirely on the 74. At a glance, the easiest way to tell between the 73 and 74 is look for vent holes on the hood. No vent holes, it's a 74. There's also a difference in the trunk floor. If you pop the trunk, 74 has a lump in the trunk floor, 73 doesn't. What am I forgetting here? Wheel openings. 71, 72 have this wheel opening. 73, 74, you can't really tell where they're plants, but they raised the wheel opening an inch. Trim won't fit between 72 and 73. Quarter panels are the same on all years. The bumpers are the same. The basic bumper shape is the same. 71, 72, they're flush mounted to the body. 73, 74, they spaced them out and added a piece of like a rubber that fits in between. It's like a safety standard shape. You can use 71, 72 bumper brackets on the 73, 74 to suck the bumpers in and tighten it up a little bit. Special cars. 71, you had the RT and you had the Super B models. They had shark gill type indentations in the door. 72, they did away with the RT and they did away with the Super B, but they had the Rally package. The Rally package has a bunch of horizontal cuts in the door. 73, 74, regular doors. What am I forgetting? I think that's it. I think I ran through the whole thing. 71, 72, available with hideaway headlights. And also they had an option that had a little windshield washer type of deal that would actually clean the headlight bulbs. 73, 74 don't have that, but you can retrofit it in there. Of course, there are differences in the headlights and the taillights that change from year to year and from model to model, but for the most part, 73, 74 use the same grills and they use the same taillights. So I think pretty much that's it. That covers all the differences between the third generation Chargers, right? Yeah. Anyway, for my money, I think these are the prettiest out of all of the Chargers, especially the 71, 72s. 73, when they made those changes, it kind of softened it up a little bit and it took that edge away. But I love the crisp lines on these, and it's just, you know, it just got that thing, and it's just so organic. So anyway, till next time.